I find that they are missing three things. Everybody talks about a lot of technologies. Everybody talks about a lot of logs or data being ingested. Everybody talks about how we are able to or how we want to reduce our mean time to detect, mean time to repair and get things back up. A lot of organizations talk about how they want to get predictive analytics, how they want to apply machine learning, how they want to leverage AI capabilities connected to the observability setup. So what is the first thing that I find missing in a big way in all of these organizations is their ability to think about large scale ingestion to be in place. And what I mean by that is that everybody has multiple siloed implementations of observability tools. You have your legacy tools, you have your tools for monitoring, tools for logging, tools for APM, multiple tools. But when you tell that when you are setting up unified observability, you will have data ingestion coming up to be 100 TB plus per day. And I feel that is what is lacking, that understanding or grappling with that reality. It's a reality. And frankly, 100 TB is a new normal. There are organizations who are pushing almost a petabyte of data per day or more. So there is no need to be afraid of this kind of a setup to be in place. It's new normal. But this is what number one thing that organizations are not ready with yet. And they are not able to orchestrate or they are not able to create a blueprint for ingesting all the data in one place. So this is number one. Number two, that as I said, there are so many tools already in place. So everybody thinks about that I'm going to replace one tool and bringing the new tool. But that is not going to be reality all the time. What is lacking is the ability to leverage existing tools and yet push data in one place and then creating your entire observability. That is something missing in a big way. So we have seen two important things that are missing. What is the third thing? And in my opinion, is the most important piece of their thinking that they need to have. That when you are looking at observability, are you able to connect it with your business outcome? We talked about technology. It need not necessarily remain as just a technology piece or domain of technologists. Are you able to connect with business outcome? The CIOs, they talk about how this is going to be important for tracking transaction journey, customer journey, and things like that. But what I see lacking is, do you have a blueprint where you can say, hey, this is my organizational KPI, this is my organizational KRA, and this is how observability is meeting it or is contributing to it. For example, customer experience. It's a big thing for every organization. But how is observability directly contributing to improving customer experience? Or if you are a bank, how if bank wants to increase its CASA ratio, how are you contributing through observability to that goal? So that creating that correlation is number one thing that is lacking. I have not seen a paper, a CIO or CTO presenting to the board that this is how observability plays important role in the business outcome. So these are the three things. If you get them right, not only you get right budgets that you are looking for, but your organization is also able to connect the dots